This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right tools and a calm workspace. Remove visible trim screws and label them so reassembly matches the original orientation. Once done, open the latch a fraction and wedge a thin pad or credit card to hold it. This prevents the latch from moving while you access the inner mechanism. Now unscrew the faceplate and gently separate the door trim, halves just enough to expose the lock barrel and spindle. Do not force the wood. You now examine the internal components to identify the fault. A worn spindle, snapped spring, or misaligned cam are common. Carefully remove the spindle and observe how the cam engages the latch. Replace any scored or loose parts. Clean away debris and old lubricant with a cloth and a targeted spray. Use light lubrication so dust won't cake. Once new or adjusted parts are in, rotate the spindle by hand to confirm smooth action and proper engagement with the latch before closing the trim. Finish by realigning the trim and reinstalling screws in the order you labeled. Uneven torque can warp the mechanism, so snug them evenly. You should test the handle and key through 10 to 15 complete cycles to seat internal components and reveal any intermittent issues. If the lock still sticks, make sure screws aren't over-tightened, verify the spindle length and position, and confirm the latch plate on the frame is flush. If problems persist, replace the lock cylinder or consult a locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.